This is a review of the 9Lives Indoor Essential Cat Food that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, I'm going to explain everything about this. So my cat loves this every single day and I feed this, and so far it's been going well. Now there's some key points I want to discuss about for the indoor, elements and everything like that. So right over here it says that it supports and comes with vitamins and minerals to help maintain a healthy immune system. And then right over here it comes with fiber to support a healthy weight as well too. So that's something that's very important, especially for your cat, to make sure it maintains a healthy weight. As you guys know, obesity is not good for your cat, and this would, help your cat to has fiber to support a healthy weight. Then right over here, last but not least, it comes with the formulator with fiber to help little litter box cleanup. So it comes with that as well too for this itself. But other than that, also another thing why your cat probably loves this as well too is because of the fact that it also comes with flavors of chicken and salmon. So if your cat loves this, so that could be the reason why it has that taste where your cat's going to keep eating this. But other than that, my cat definitely recommends this, and if my cat definitely recommends this, then the owner itself, which is me, I'm happy about this product as well too. And I would definitely recommend the 9Lives Indoor Essential Cat Food if you're looking for a cat food to maintain and help a healthy immune system, and it does all this stuff right over here. Then this product right over here is by far one of the best cat foods to get for your cat, and I would definitely recommend this product.